If you are experiencing problems with the Team Fortress 2 not launching, whether it crashes at startup, doesn't respond, or simply won't open, we've got you covered with easy-to-follow solutions that will get you back in the game in no time. First, right-click Team Fortress 2. Select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Press Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the game to be repaired. Now launch the game.
First, click on Steam. Click on Settings. Click on Downloads. Press Clear Cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log in to Steam again. Do you wish to continue? Press Confirm. Wait for Steam to restart. Now launch your game.